Alright, y'all. So we had got 8 inches of snow. As you see, 8 inches of snow. I'm walking through. Gonna start my car up. My baby's done covered it up. So if I go across there, look at me. Look at that. Look at this. Look at it. A little snow got in my boot, child. Little snow. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh. We running in the. Ooh. Y'all ain't see that? Good. Running in the snow, baby. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. All this damn snow. I gotta go to work tomorrow for real, for real. All them icicles. Can't even see my license plate. Look at all that snow right there. Y'all see all this snow? So basically she called herself trying to shovel it like I could get out. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Whew. Child. I need to get out of here. You know what I'm saying? So I might have to shovel this part to get myself. Look at all this. Look what my mama did, y'all. That's a lot of snow. That's a lot of snow.